Hi guys! Gail is going to bake. Let's reheat muna pala 350. Wait lang. Okay, you put first.
We put egg.
We're just gonna follow instruction. Put egg. Did you wash your hands?
Oh
Wash
yeah,
your hands.
mommy. I already.
Okay. Dito pa mag-crack. Kasi yun niya.
Eh.
First, let's crack one piece of egg.
Can I mix it?
Mamaya lang, we put ano muna other than 1/4 cup. Oh, I think yung 1/4 cup of water.
One.
Okay, yeah. Put water. Full na. Sige. Oops. Okay, get this. Mamaya lang, oil pa. And then 1/4 cup.
Can I put oil?
Okay. You hold it. This one. Okay. Mommy will put para ano. Okay.
So that's too much. Ooh. And then flour. Can I?
Sige.
And then can I put flour?
It's the brownie mix.
Okay.
Dapat pala dalawa yung binili natin. Okay, guys. Gail is gonna help me bake a brownie for our tea party tomorrow.
Okay.
Half mo na, half. Okay.
Mommy mix.
Okay. Oh, you mix it.
That's too much.
Sige, mix mo.
Until it become.
Yeah. Until it's well mixed.
Mommy, how could I mix that all?
Sige.
How about you put more egg?
No, hindi pwede. Let's just follow the instruction. Yeah.
Mommy,
Sige.
ito ganyan.
Very good. Ah, galing
Malapit na?
You just keep on, stirring.
Wow.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi. Don't have a cutter?
Yeah.
We're almost there. Okay. It's my first time baking.
Good job.
Grandma's always makes cookies.
Who's grandma?
No, grandma's always make cookies.
Oh, grandma's. Sa mga, videos.
I'm sweaty. It's
Ano kasi nakita? Press it. Don't touch it.
too heavy.
Is it? Oh, the chocolate.
It's not yet.
No, I think it's really close. Good job. You did a great job of mixing it. Wait lang, nakbe. Oh, so it's a real chocolate pala. Okay.
Can I mix it?
And then, what's next? Ipunod. Set aside mo na para mag-ano.
We put, ano? Mommy.
Especially in the side, para hindi magdikit.
Mommy.
Wala kaming vegetable oil. Hopefully, canola oil is okay. Okay, good job. How about your on the side? Dito mo. Oh, ganyan, oh. Okay. Ready?
Yeah. No,
Wait lang. How are you gonna do it? Wait lang, ganyan.
Take it down.
No, wag mo nang i-mix dyan. Hayaan mo na, nak. Tignan. Nahulog dyan, oh. Nak, you keep it here. Just wait. Sayang. Dito. Take this, oh.
Why is the marshmallows too big? Wait, I think this is too much brownies.
No, just enough. Wait lang. Oh, kamawit yun. Let's do it para ma-spread. Wala kaming maliit, guys, na. Okay. Thank you, very good, Gail. Let's see what's the outcome of your brownies. Hopefully it spread out yung marshmallow.
Pwede ko lagyan yung ano?
Yung
Yung yan.
No. Hindi na. Oh, ilagay sa oven? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'll use these to take off. Take it.
Oo, alis. Maybe you just hold like this. Dito sa kabila. So hot. Kaya, ako na kasi. Yeah. Kasi it's hot. Delikado na. Si mami lang dapat mag-ano. Jesus. Hi guys! We forgot to put the sprinkle. Tanggalin ko muna kahit mastorbo yung kanya.
Is it cooked?
Almost. Alright, iput ano na. Sprinkle the top. Sige.
Oh, wala. Forgot. Why there's bubbles? That looks...
Dahan lang. Ganito siguro.
Oh,
Not too much. Ganun.
oh sorry.
It's okay. Deh.
It's sprinkles.
Ooh, looks good.
Mommy, are you wasting the sprinkles?
I'm not. Okay, let's put it back. Kasi na-storbo na. Oh, wag mo na magdaan ha. Wait lang. Okay. We should complete. Hello guys, here we are. Gail is going to try the brownies that we made. It's kind of failed because so sticky and let's see. Is it good? No, is it good?
Yeah.
Ayan guys.
Brownies of darkness.
Sisi kami nilagyan namin ng, ako pala, nilagyan namin ng marshmallow.
Did you
Kasi
guitar on the drum?
parang naging candy siya. So, yeah.